This excellent 2009 Dodge Ram 2500 has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This 4-door crew cab long bed truck has rich medium slate gray leather bucket seats, and is equipped with a responsive 6.7-liter inline 6-cylinder 12-valve engine, a smooth shifting transmission, and has the safety and security of 4-wheel drive. Its electronic features include satellite radio, a trip computer and a computer that displays the vehicle's average fuel consumption, and its range, based on its remaining fuel. The safety features on this vehicle include child safety locks, a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system and 4 ventilated disc brakes. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive.